noisy scenes in different state assemblies and parliament, paralyzed to function either in state assemblies or parliament became a normal affair nowadays by the lawmakers of the country, without bothering whose hard earning money is spending by the government exchequer for conducting the session. It became motto of certain elected representatives to create disturbances, obstacles and hindrance and stalling to function the session without discussing the vital issues which are related for the welfare of the nation. They never bother what the intellectual mass are thinking about them after seeing the live telecast in screen. Why such things are happening? Because no accountability is fixed to them, those who are stalling either to any assemblies or parliament to function. It is the result of providing vast privileges and unlimited immunity to them. In my view, those who are unnecessarily creating obstacles to function the session, the amounts which is spent from the government exchequer for running of the house should be recovered from the erring one or concerned party for stalling the house to function. Secondly, if any opposition party has raised any question for discussion on the floor of any assembly or parliament and speaker of respective floor has not allowed the opposition party for discussion, then seek the opinion of the intellectual mass of the country through media. If the majority of the views are in favor of the discussion in the house about that particular topic and express their opinion through media, then ruling party speaker has to allow for it. And if majority of the public views does not think it is vital issues for discussion in the floor of the house, then drop it from that moment by the parties those who has raised it and allow the house to function normally or smoothly. In spite of the expressed opinion of the public against raising of that issues for discussion, if any one party once again raises that point in the house, then debar to attend the erring one or party for the rest of period of particular session of the house. Nowadays, the public are keeping vigil upon the activities of the representatives through media, and one should not think that once elected means the license has been provided to them. Whatever they like, they can do it. If any question is arised by the representative and the public thinks it is related with the welfare of society, then public would support it and express their views in conducting media polls. One should not think public are not aware of it. If anyone is having malified intention for stalling the house to function, then public would give befitting reply at the time of election through ballot. It is my opinion.